Hey, this is Snow. This is my niece. And we're gonna finish the baby's food because he doesn't want to eat anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play paper, scissors, rock. Whoever loses gets to eat the rest of the food, or we take turns. Okay? Paper, scissors, rock. Masusuka ka na ito eh.
Sarap? All of it! All of it!
Alright.
Oh, yeah. Parang oatmeal lang yan eh. Ang okay nito.
Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock.
You again!
Man, ang lasa. Shit.
Again, because your daddy's a loser.
Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock.
Come on!
Man, I might as well finish the whole thing.
No, you totally should.
Oh, you try for me.
No.
Come on, bro.
Oh, yuck.
Your turn.
No, whoever loses.
Again,
Nakakasuka?
again.
Paper, scissors, rock. Putang ina naman. Ayoko
Siya, bro.
after this. It's nasty.
Do it again.
You're exact.
Again.
Wala.
One more.
One more.
I'm nice.
Paper, scissors, rock. Oh, thank God.
Now you gotta get a big one. A big
That's
one.
all yours, bro.
Alright.
Oh, it's nasty. Tastes like my feet when you smell it.
Gosh.
There you go. We finished it, guys.
Good job.
Subscribe and follow, okay? We'll have more.